The question that. Okay, what was the question?
Okay, the question is, can I make 100 billion from affiliate marketing?
Yes, now.
No, it's not yes now. Is it?
You go use like 50 years.
Jesus, no.
Wait, this is a million or billion?
Billion.
So
100 billion.
You use the many years that you have on Earth.
Jesus.
No. No, the thing is, but it's actually possible, but you have to engage all aspects of affiliate marketing. So you engage both the physical and the digital. And maybe physical, it could be okay. Maybe someone that is into real estate. You know how there's lots of money in real estate now. And initially, affiliate marketing is all about connecting customers to sellers to get. So you can just get maybe a realtor. Now, maybe this person has this amazing house that is worth, let's say, 100 million. And you as the affiliate person, that's the agent, you are literally going to get at least maybe 10 to 20% out of it, depending on your agreement. Now, imagine you're able to make this kind of sales, like able to close that kind of deals, like 15 of it. And let's say each of them is 20 million. 20 times. No, that's like one aspect of the that's one aspect of the sale. That you're going to get over like 20 times 15, that's over 150 or so. So imagine you're not able to do another one, maybe the digital aspects now. You now get certain kind of courses, let's say an online course, and each one is worth 50,000. Then you're able to get the kind of that need. I know now advertisement, you post it. Imagine that your commission rate is like 80%. Or let me just say 50%. That's like 25k. And you're able to advertise to get like lots of persons into. So people used to advertise and get like 3,000, 5,000 people that literally buy like website purchases. Now imagine 3,000 times that 25,000. And those things you can literally just strategize them and organize them. This one is working in this side, this one is working on this side. Then that one time is just the product. Then imagine the own product that you can have, because you can actually have it and be your own content creator and also the affiliate for it. Literally, maybe the cost is 5,000 or let's say maybe $10. Imagine you want then in affiliate marketing there are different aspects. There is digital, there is expanding, and everybody knows. There is this one is outside and people own shop. Like it's in dollars, you get, and most of them your commission can run from either $100 to $1,000. That's just how crazy that is. Then imagine you're able to now if they make the money in dollars. At the end of the day, you convert that dollars to naira. You get your billion. It's just literally
100 billion.
I know that 100 billion now. But as I say, you use your remaining years or that. No, but truly to an extent, you have to go all in for it. It's actually possible, but then you have to go all in for it.
Oh, that's cute.
At the end of the day, you go reach 100 billion, you go die.